Hey everybody, Firebird here. Stopped at the Big Muskie's bucket. Check this out. If anybody wants to scan that, get some photos. Here it is. By the way, thunder and lightning are coming out of this guy right there somewhere. Anyway, the bucket. Yeah, it's big. I mean, that's at least bigger than 6 inches. That's okay. Break for lightning, just real quick. It's lovely, isn't it? Nice. Slight breeze. Flags are tapping away. Thought I would bust out a short video. I haven't uploaded anything for a long time for anybody who keeps up with the channel. That's a big chain. I don't know how to put it in reference for you. It's huge. Wow, the lightning's got all of my attention right now. This bucket belonged to, here we go, belonged to this guy, the Big Muskie. That thing is huge. It's like motels stacked on motels big. That's the bucket right here. Okay. You see what it's doing? Can you imagine that thing swinging from the end of a cable, churning up rocks? Those chains are just massive. I don't know, maybe for someone who's been on a ship, big chains on ships. So, fantastic. These rocks just look like pebbles, but they're humongous. I don't know the dimensions on this bucket, but I'll tell you right now, when I get back around here, you can park cars in this thing. I'm not kidding you right now. I can get 3 Subarus and a motorcycle in here. For sure. For sure. Massive. Alright. That's a short video. Scan that code in the beginning and see what kind of pictures there are. I did not scan it, so I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Firebird out. Peace and love.